TradeView Traderpro. How to place bracket orders. Software tutorial.
This video tutorial will discuss placing bracket orders from the DOM. Bracket orders are a combination of two orders. One sends other, or in short, OSO, and one cancels other, OCO. In other words, it is an order containing three parts. The first part is the entry order to enter a position, and the other two parts are the profit target and stop loss. To activate this order type, click on the triangle icon labeled brackets. The panel will appear at the bottom of the DOM. Check buy bracket to enter a long position, or sell bracket to enter a short position. If you do not want to set a profit target, uncheck sell limit, or if you do not want to set a stop loss, uncheck sell stop. Then, set the profit target and stop loss in the factor fields. This is specified in number of points. To enter factors in currency, exact price, or ticks, right-click on the word factor, then select the desired option. For this example, let's enter a profit target of 2 points and stop loss of 1 point. Observe as I hover over the bid column, the bracket appears in orange on the sell side. Left-click the desired entry price to enter on a limit, or right-click to enter on a stop. Confirm the order details and press OK. Notice the sell stop and limit are represented with +1, indicating they are held orders contingent on the buy limit order being filled. Once the profit target or stop loss is filled, the other part will be cancelled. Once you have set your brackets, you may hide the brackets panel by clicking on the bracket icon on the toolbar. This will not turn off placing bracket orders. In other words, hovering over the bid column reveals the bracket on the opposite side in orange. If you no longer wish to place bracket orders, you'll need to uncheck the buy bracket and sell bracket boxes.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.